Hey og velkommen tilbage til endnu en dansk video på DanishTube. Hey, welcome back to another Danish video on DanishTube. Og i dag skal det handle om refleksive verber. And today it's gonna be about reflexive verbs. DanishTube. So this is a video for you, Dan, who wrote to me on Instagram about reflexive verbs. I've never really thought about it before. I've of course taken some examples here, but Dan asked me, like, how do we know when a verb is reflexive? And this, if you're not sure what this thing is of reflexive is when, for example, in the infinitive you would use the word sigh. So, you know, it's like when you say yourself in a way. And that's what I think is that often when you are doing an action on yourself, in a way, it's not always going to work, but there are many verbs where you are, the action is sort of faced back towards yourself. So a good example, which translates well to English, is when you enjoy yourself, or in Danish you use cozy yourself, you know, right? At hygge sig, at hygge sig. So when you are enjoying yourself, or I am enjoying myself, jeg hygger mig. Jeg hygger mig, I'm enjoying myself. Some more examples could be in Danish, when you are bored, you are boring yourself. So, jeg keder mig. Jeg keder mig. I guess that's a sort of a special example. A better one might be when you're getting yourself ready. I'm getting myself ready. You see the action pointing back at myself. Jeg gør mig klar. Jeg gør mig klar. Some other very clear examples is when you shave. In Danish you are shaving yourself in a way. Jeg barberer mig. Jeg barberer mig. Or if I'm putting on makeup, jeg sminker mig. Jeg sminker mig. Or you also say I'm putting on makeup, jeg lægger sminker på. Also lying down or sitting down, that is the action of doing it, will also be a reflexive thing. You are lying yourself down or sitting yourself down. Jeg lægger mig i sengen. Og jeg sætter mig i sofaen. Jeg lægger mig i sengen. Jeg sætter mig i sofaen. It could be to get up. And I think of like when you're sitting around the kitchen table and you're like just going to get up to go. That is called at rejse sig. At rejse sig. So, jeg rejser mig. Jeg rejser mig. I'm getting myself up. I'm getting up. Of course, it's not always going to be so straightforward. I mean, my best advice is to just repeat the things that you hear, and then you cannot really go wrong. Or you can go wrong, but it's sort of the easiest way, so you're not thinking about it. Because there are often ones that come up translated from English that do not work. One I hear quite often is when people want to say, I find myself this thing, which kind of, it makes sense in English, but when you really think about it, it's like, I find myself thinking whatever. But if you say that in Danish, like, jeg finder mig, or whatever, it doesn't make sense. You cannot say it. So that's why I really would go by the rule of listen out for these reflexive verbs and repeat them as they are used. Of course, you could be proactive, make a list, and learn them that way. But otherwise, think of this thing of, you know, the action towards yourself. Often that's kind of what's going on. So if you like this video, if you find it useful, give me a like, leave a comment in the comment section. If you have more advice or you know some more rules behind this reflexive verb stuff, and if you feel like you're in need of private Danish lessons, look no further. I'm your man. I will help you out. So get in touch with me. You can leave a comment here. You can write me a direct message on Instagram or Facebook or wherever. Remember, check out all the super useful podcast episodes and go over to Patreon if you feel like you want to support my work. Tusind tak, og vi ses næste gang. Thanks a lot. See you next time. DanishTube.